operating already 6 BOOT projects and 1 OMT project. 9 are under construction. We have done dedicated rail freight corridor project Mughal Sarai to Sonagar section and dedicated eastern freight corridor on EPC basis. We have done airports runways, around 20 numbers airport runways we have done with and received special super special award for that classification category with MES. Power transmission area we have done 35-kilometer project on turnkey basis. In industrial area on PPP basis we have done with Narela and we have completed this project before time. In drinking water section, we are very thankful and we have started this division last year in 2020 itself, water sector, and we are focusing with JJM and UP Jal Nigam. We have started in phase 1, phase 2, 3,500 villages we are already taking care under phase 2, and in highways we have completed 40 highway expressways as on date. In the by now 20 projects in various states we have completed. Next slide. Dark color indicates that we have completed in past and current projects in different states. We have footsteps in 14 states. Right now current projects are undergoing on in different sectors: Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh. This is the slide which indicates the footstep in UP under JJM. We are doing the projects under JJM. Surface water we are doing at Hamirpur area. Barrage complete we are doing, and this Pilibhit, Badaयूं, Amroha, Sambal, Kasganj. These are projects we are already taking care. The DPRs, maximum DPRs, more than 75% has been completed and the work has been started on ground. Next slide, please. This company is basically EPC based company. We are taking projects BOOT basis. Lot of toll projects we are doing in UP already going on. BOOT basis annuity projects, OMT basis hybrid annuity projects, operation and maintenance management, and we are doing item rate basis also. Next slide, please. So, in brief, till date we have completed more than 80 major projects including roads, highways, bridges, flyovers, airport runways and pavements, track construction for dedicated freight, rail corridor. We have completed planning, design, investment, construction, operation, maintenance and management of projects under one roof. We believe in end-to-end project construction capability. We believe in new technologies and we can construct up to 4 lanes in kilometers of road in a day. Our prudent procurement policies are there in place. Next slide. PNC believes a business model which must be very competitive, very nice. So that way we have our own equipment bank. We have fleets of modern equipment. We have our own workshops. We have reduced the cost of the project. We have around 26 numbers crushers of our own. We have our own quarries in UP, around 26 numbers. So we are generating total aggregate, total sands, coarse sands to maintain the quality in a limited cost, our own. So that is the strength, in-house design ability we have, and in-house construction we are doing our own. We have our own workshops to handle more than 7,000 vehicles. Hiva, Proclane, JCB, all with PNC. Next slide. As on date, we have more than 10,000 employees, more than 1,000 engineers, planners, designers, management, financial professionals, chartered accountants, contract specialists, well-trained employees is key of company. Varied skill setups of our employees, flexibility in the organization, and our construction engineers is our strength. Yes, please. Next slide. As on date, all type of machineries we have, the value of the machineries itself is more than 12 billion Indian rupees as on date, and that fleet helps to PNC to ensure the completion of the project in time or before time. Key achievements will be in the next slide. We have completed more than 8,000 lane kilometers of roads as on date, including bridges, flyover, underpasses, culverts, service roads and toll plaza. First road construction, we are the first company who has completed the Agra-Gwalior section of National Highway 3 with the bonus. We achieved the bonus for completing before time. Construction and commenced collection of toll over 3 months ahead on Gwalior-Bhind BOT toll highway project.
Can you please complete early?
Yeah. So just this is the achievement. Next slide, please. So in brief, we feel proud that as on date, whatever we have the booking with the JJM, approximately we feel proud to work for serving drinkable water to over more than 10 million people. Next slide. This is the vision and mission, and we feel very proud. We are very thankful to complete UP Jal Nigam, JJM, SWSM, and Government of India that could get the chance. The vision is very clear. Every rural household has drinking water supply in adequate quantity of prescribed quality on regular and long-term basis at affordable services. Delivery charges leading to improvement in living standard of rural communities. This has been well covered in the past. The purpose is that functional tap connections must be available with GP buildings, means Gram Panchayat buildings, Anganwadi, health center, wellness centers at all the places, schools. Next slide. So in basic, in phase 1 we are doing surface water, in phase 2 we are doing groundwater, and shortly in phase 3 we will do, as this is the water which is the main thing is that the liquid per liter per minute drawdown capacity should be lesser in compare whatever is coming the water from the side. So the water quality should need to be ensured, and the water should be drawn from not from the surface, should be in the second layer or the third layer, as my colleagues, my friends in UPJ and my seniors and scientists told in the past. So 55 liter per minute may come, so the water is coming from the ground, and after that if there is a 3 type of arsenic, fluoride, iron if found, it will be treated or chlorination will be done, then this will be over a tank in groundwater in each Gram Panchayat. So the water will be supplied outside or at each house with ensure the quality. In case of the surface scheme, the water where the Yamuna or Ganga is there, the water will be taken from there, and after settling it will be treated with the gravity filters and all, and after making a master reservoir, it will be transferred to different places. Yes sir, just within a minute will be completed. Next slide please. So this is in brief that we are doing at Bahraich 14 blocks, total Gram Panchayat 784, total value 2,100 crores, 2.8 million will be served, and the scheme is targeted to be complete 50% by end 2022 and 100% by 2023. Next. Badaयूं, the same 346 Panchayat, 831 crore, 1.1 million population will be covered, and the same timeline. Next. Kasganj, 884 crore, total 7 blocks are there, 391 Gram Panchayat, 1.3 million population will be covered, and the same timeline. Next, sir, last slide. So the total PLB 280 Gram Panchayat, 533 crores is the value. Next. So Hamirpur is the phase 1 that has already been in progress. Surface. Next. So these are our partners. complete, wherein we are working for national highways and all. Thank you very much. Next slide. Thank you very much for giving a chance. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
If anyone has any questions, they have got a stall in the exhibition area, they can contact them and have
Yeah.
their queries answered. Thank you.
44 number is the stall, and welcome all to visit.
Thank you very much. Now I request